I'm going to take a look at Revell's Star Wars The Last Jedi Poe Dameron's Black X-Wing Fighter with Booster. This kit is 1/78 scale. It retails around $20 and it is available online or at your local hobby shop. Always start with the box. Beautiful box art. I call this standard box art as I cannot find an artist who did it. There's the front, the back, which does show the completed model and a breakdown of the model kit parts. Next up, always start with the instructions. They do come in black and white. First page shows the part breakdown, and the assembly is pretty straightforward and very clear. The kit itself, it comes poly-bagged, and it's also a reissue of the Force Awakens Black X-Wing Fighter with an additional parts added for the Last Jedi. The kit's, there's the engines, it's pre-painted. Also, it is a build and play kit, which we'll get there in a moment. The guns. The wings, detail on it, again, just like the Force Awakens, it is actually nicely detailed. Paint job's not bad on it as well. The fuselage, top part. The bottom here. Again, panel lines are very, very nice, not too deep, not too thick. Canopy, very clear. The landing gear, again, nicely detailed. With this reissue of the kit, it does come with a pilot figure, which is very well done. And does come with the additional booster that fits on the back of the X-Wing. The back plate, the booster frame, and the booster itself. This is a build and play kit. This is the sound mechanism. It does make two sounds. This is number one. And number two. Really a great kit. Great kit for beginners and experienced miners. Highly recommend Poe Dameron's Black Starfighter with the booster.